Hey guys, welcome to my new Blender video. In this video, I will show to make stairs with Blender. Let's get started. So friends, after opening Blender, select this camera and light. Let's delay it. Select this cube, press G, press Z, hold Ctrl, move up. Okay. So right now, select this cube and select scale tool. And let's scale like this. And like this. Okay, click again move tool. Let's hold Ctrl, again moved up. So right now let's select cube and go to edit mode and go to face selection. Select this face and right mouse, go to separate selection, click selection, and let's back to object mode. And right now we have two objects, cube and cube 1. This is single object. Okay. So select this cube and go to object. Let's go to set origin and select this origin to geometry. Okay, right now my anchor point is center. Okay, so select this face and go to again edit mode. Let's go to edge selection and Control R, and I can add here edge lines. Let's add more edge lines. For this, scroll mouse wheel like this. I will add 5 edge line and click enter. Right now let's cancel this movement. Let's click ESC. Okay, that's good. So back to again face selection and let's select these all faces like this, and let's click E for extrusion and change extrusion like this. Okay, then open extrusion settings and let's copy this code, Ctrl C, and let's close extrude settings and let's hold shift, unselect this face, then again click E and Ctrl V. Nice. And again hold shift, select this face, let's unselect. Again let's click E and Ctrl V. Nice. Again let's unselect this face, again E, Ctrl V for extrusion. And again hold shift, select this, unselect this face, again click E and Ctrl V, again unselect, and finally again click E and Ctrl V for pairs extrusion settings. Okay, that's good. So not bad. And let's click move tool, go to vertex selection and let's select this part. Let's add some details. And let's hold Ctrl Shift B and make bevel like this. And for more details edge, let's scroll mouse wheel like this, click enter. And let's make random alt style. Select this point or vertex and select this with shift and this and this. Okay, let's hold Ctrl Shift B and make bevel like this. Okay, very good. So let's go to here and enable cavity for realistic preview. Okay, not bad. And let's select this part and move to back, then select this cube. Let's go to again edit mode and select this look cut. Let's add one here and one here. So let's go to vertex selection and click move tool. Then select this vertex, again Ctrl Shift B, make bevel and change segments with mouse wheel. Okay, not bad. Also we can make for this vertex and this and this. Let's again hold Ctrl Shift B, make like this, change vertex. Okay, not bad, I like it. And let's select this part and this point and this, and let's hold Ctrl Shift B, make like this. Okay, very good. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.